U11f3 is about the rule of suspension of disbelief. What this means is when we are watching movies or television or even playing a video game, we suspend our disbelief. We put it on hold. In the real world, we usually don't see the kinds of actions and exciting things that happen in the movies. At least I hope that in real life you don't see too many things that are cinematic in their scope. In the real world, most of us lead lives that are fairly dull and uninteresting. But in movies and television shows, exciting things happen all the time. So when we're watching a movie or a television show or playing a video game, we just sort of put our disbelief on hold. We don't say, oh, the car wreck would never really go like that, or, you know, he's breaking the speed limit, or, whoa, no one ever talks like that in real life. No, we suspend our disbelief. And part of the job of the movie is to help us suspend our disbelief by not stretching belief beyond the point where we can really trust it. When you are coming up with a storyboard for a story idea, make sure you don't make sure you don't violate the suspension of disbelief of your audience. Don't make something so fake or so unrealistic or so unbelievable that it really couldn't happen, that it's not plausible. Then you are breaking suspension of disbelief, and your audience is going to find themselves not lost in your video, not just absorbed in the story you're telling, but instead saying, wait a minute, could that really happen? And that's what you don't want your audience to be thinking. Those audiences out there are distracted enough by all the various things they can click on YouTube, all the messages popping up on their screens. So you want to hold their attention by coming up with a tight, well-organized story that is plausible but interesting at the same time.